Do you want to quickly build a chat app with conversation, chat, and group functions and a complete UI on the web? Today I will show you how to successfully build a scalable chat application in 10 minutes. On the TRTC.io page, click Developers and Chat. You can see many platforms. Click Installation, TUIKit, and React. Chat-uikit-react is a React UI component library. It provides some common UI components, including features for conversation, chat, and group. You can experience Web Demo and H5 Demo here. Before integrating, let's check the environmental requirements. React v18.0 version 17.x is not supported, and TypeScript Node npm. Step 1. Create a project. Open an empty folder in the Developer tool. You can choose whether to use a TS template or not. Copy the code. Enter the command in an empty file. Waiting for the project to be created. After the project is created, go to the project directory. Enter this line of code. Step 2. Download the chat-uikit-react component. Enter npm install a Tencent Cloud chat-uikit-react. We will use this component in our project. Additionally, related open-source code is also provided on GitHub, which you can use as a basis to develop your own component library. Step 3. Include the chat-uikit-react component. We provide two methods, npm integration and source code integration. Next, we take npm integration as an example to demonstrate as follows. Replace the content in app.tsx, or you can create a new component for inclusion. Copy the code. Open Sample Chat. Click ASRC. Open app.tsx. Replace the code we just pasted. Here we need to fill in SD cap ID, user ID, and userSig. Next, we create an application to obtain these parameters. Step 4. Create an application. Log into the chat console. Click it. Click Create Application. Select Chat, enter the application name, then click Create. Now the application has been created. Click All Applications. We can see the newly created application in the console and its SDK app ID. Now copy the SDK app ID, paste it here. Step 5. Obtain user ID and userSig. Click the application, click Chat, and Users. Click Create Account. Enter username and nickname. Nickname is optional. I entered User1 and Linda. Click Confirm. Here you can create 2 or more user IDs to experience initiating a chat. Now we can create a second user ID. I entered User2 and Rosa. Now we need to get the userSig corresponding to the login user ID. Let's go back to the documentation. Go to the console to obtain userSig. Click it. Select the SD cap ID we just created. Enter the login user ID. Click Generate. Copy Generate Result, which is userSig. Enter user ID and userSig. Now go back to the documentation. Step 6. Start the project. Enter npm run start. Step 7. Send your first message. After starting the project, click plus on the left to start a one-to-one chat. Enter the user ID such as user2 in the search box, and we can see Rosa. Now we can enter a message in the input box and press enter to send. We can also try to add friends. Click Contacts. Type user2 and press enter. Enter verification info and send the application. Now Rosa is my friend, and I can send messages to her. We can also try to create a group chat. Click plus and new group chat. Invite Rosa. We can also change the group type. Click create. Now the group chat has been created. In addition to text, we can also send images, videos, and files. We can also reference a specific message and can choose to recall the message. We can also pin conversation to the top. This is the chat-uikit-react integration process. Now start building your own chat app. Welcome to join our Telegram or WhatsApp group, and we can solve your difficulties.